so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Do you want to draw something else together? Me too. I think we should draw a hedgehog. All right, I'm gonna take this black marker and draw a diagonal line. Yeah, which is a line on an angle. And then I'm gonna start to draw a circle. Yeah, but I'm gonna stop just like that. And I'm gonna go to the top of the diagonal line, go straight down, and then loop and make a really long L, just like that. And that's the body. But before I go, I'm gonna start to make the circle and color it in, and that is the nose right there. They can smell really well. And then another circle, and that's the eye. And then a big smile, because they're all so happy. And then we need some U's, just like that, for the legs. Whoa! And then we're gonna do some upside down V's. Whoa! For the pokies. Whoa! Wow, there we go. Cute animal. Well, if you love drawing with me and want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi, and I think we should draw a panda together. Since pandas are black and white, and the paper is white, I'm gonna grab a black marker and I'm gonna draw a circle for the head. Whoa! And then a circle for the body. Kind of like that, yeah. And then an arched line up there and another one. Yeah, for the ears. And then a leg down here, which is a curved line. Ooh, and another leg down there. Ooh, and you can't forget about the arms. They're gonna go inside like sideways U's. Whoa! And then we're gonna draw some eyes, which are black circles, a cute nose, and a smiley face. All right, now we get to color them in. Here we go. All right, there's one arm. Color that one in. Perfect. And then a leg, another leg, and you can't forget about the ears. Wow! If you like pandas and love drawing with me and want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah! Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. And I was just acting like I was driving a race car. Race cars are so fast. Hey, maybe you and I can draw a race car. All right, first let's start with the color blue and let's draw the wheels and tires. Every race car has 4 wheels and tires, but since we're drawing it from the side, all we need to do is draw 2. And do you see those tires? Yeah, they're circles. Ooh, and let's draw the body of the race car. Whoa, a nice aerodynamic shape. Whoa, so fast. And then let's draw a triangle for the back right there, a triangle for the front right here. Whoa, cool. And then let's switch colors. And let's draw red flames because they're so fast. Cool. And let's not forget about the spoiler. Whoa, doesn't that look like a cool race car? I know, right? Well, if you like race cars and you love drawing with me and want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Do you want to draw a sea turtle with me? Yeah, I love sea turtles. They are so cute. I love how they have a shell and then they can swim underwater. Whoa. All right, first I'm gonna take this green marker and draw the shell. So I'm gonna draw a big curved line like that, and then another curved line right there. Woo, and then that looks like the shell, doesn't it? Yeah, shells are really hard. Up here, I'm gonna draw the neck and the head. Whoa, perfect. And I'm gonna color in a circle for the eye, and then a smiley face. Yeah! All right, let's draw another curved line like this. Ooh, and another curved line like that, and 3 more curved lines right up there to complete the shell. And then we need to draw 4 squares for the legs. Well, actually, they're not legs. They're actually fins on sea turtles. Yeah, so then they can swim underwater. Wow, I love sea turtles, and I love drawing. If you want to draw with me some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah, ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Do you want to draw a spider with me? Yeah, I like spiders. They are so cool how they can spin webs. Wow, isn't that unique? I know. All right, to draw a spider, I'm gonna grab this black marker and draw a circle. All right, just like that. And then, since they have 8 legs, let's draw 8 curved lines like that. There we go. And then 4 on this side to make the 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. And then let's draw a circle right here for an eye, circle right there for an eye, and then a smiley face. But this isn't just a normal spider. This is a black widow. Let's draw the hourglass over there. Yeah, pretty cool. Yeah, black widows have this red hourglass on the body. Yeah, you don't want to get close to those. Pretty cool. Well, I love drawing, and if you want to keep drawing with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah, ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi, and today you and I are gonna draw a dinosaur with plates on its back and spikes on its tail. Yeah, you guessed it, a Stegosaurus. All right, to draw a Stegosaurus, let's draw a curved line for its back. Ooh, and then a curved line for its tail, just like that. And then let's go down and draw 4 legs, because Stegosauruses had 4 legs. And then a straight line for the body, 2 more legs to complete the 4, and then, yeah, some curved lines for the head. Whoa, can't forget about the circle for the eye, and a little smiley face. Yeah, but what's it missing? Yeah, the plates. And every Stegosaurus had 17 or more plates. So, will you count 17 with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Cool. All right, that was so much fun drawing the Stegosaurus with you. If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. See you later, red Stegosaurus. I was just acting like a T-Rex. Hey, it's me, Blippi. I'm not a T-Rex, but I think you and I should draw a T-Rex together. Whoa! T-Rexes are so cool. They lived such a long time ago, and they're so fierce. All right, to draw a T-Rex, I'm gonna take this purple marker and draw the start of a rectangle, but I'm not gonna complete it. Then I'm gonna draw the start of a triangle. There we go. And I won't complete that either. And that's the tail and that's the head. Then we need to draw the leg and the foot with some curved lines. There we go. Whoa! Then connect that. And now we need 2 little arms. So cute. One right there and one right there. Oh, that's okay. There we go. And 2 claws on each arm. Now let's draw a circle for the eye and a smiley face. And let's draw some spikes down its back. Whoa! If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!